Welcome to Code Mania, the best site to learn best thing in a best possible manner. Like us on Facebook.com/CodeMania. Hello everyone. In this session, I will explain how to fetch record of an object in a list and display in the page block table. Let's go through an example. Here I have created a Visualforce page and associated a custom controller which will fetch the record from the object and will include the records in a list of an object, and I'll display in the page block table. So first I need to define the getter setter of the list. Public list of, suppose, contact. The object name is conLST and the getter setter. Then I'll have to allocate the memory in the instance. Say memory like st is equal to new list of contact and having no records in it. Okay, then let's create a method. Page reference. This is the page reference to call this method in the Visualforce page, which will return null. So method name is get con records, and this will return null, but will fetch the contact records in the list. This is how we can fetch the contact record by running an SQL query. Select ID, name, phone, mobile phone, and say account dot name from contact. This is case insensitive, you can write anything here. So this contact list will have all the contact record with these parameters in it. Okay, let's save the method to check if you are getting any error or not. Here it's something mismatched. Contact, it will be contact. I might have written something spelling mistake. Page reference. Okay, so the method has been created successfully. Now I will call this method using a command button and will display the link, display the contact record in the. Before that I need to define standard controller is a contact. Here you can give the standard controller name anything. Here you can define as C contact also. Let's define the C contact. C contact. So you need to create a public class which is and the controller method. So this C contact has been created. Now you are pasting this, replace this C contact as C account as C contact, and this is C contact. Okay, so C contact controller having all the methods defined as. Now I need to define apex page block and the apex page block table and the apex column with header value as, suppose, contact name. You can also use the custom label in it, I'll explain it later, and the value as, you need to define the page block value for that, which is contact list, and the var, which is the variable. You need to use proper sign value as contact list and the var, whereas suppose C. So here value would be like C dot name. Okay, then another column with account name as C dot account dot name. Now save. Let's see we are getting any error or not. Here missing record attribute in errors. Page block table, here I have not provided the second block. This is how we need to detect the errors. I think we have done another mistake, maybe or not. No, I think not. See, it has been successfully saved without any errors. See, we have two columns, contact name and account and corresponding account name. So we need to define, and it's having this page block table having null 0 records in it, because first it will load this method which is having no records in it. So we need to define a page block button. Page block buttons and the apex command button, which is having value as, which is string get contacts, which is button level, and the action action will execute the custom controller method which we have defined as get contact, sorry, get con records. Here this is the method name, and save. So in theoretical aspect, when you will create this, when you click on this button, this get contacts, this will execute this method, and when this method will be executed, contact list will be filled up with all these records from contact, getting all these values. If you want to include another column, it only have the attribute, that field name which we have defined in this method while fetching the contacts in this SQL query. Suppose we want to get the suppose another field like address, contact address, but we cannot include in this page block table because it has not been retrieved from this query. So if we click on this, this will execute the contact names and its corresponding account name. So this contact having this account name, also this contact having this account name. Let's search in a practical, for the practical. Or we can search using this contact name also. Suppose I provide the contact name and search it. I think it has just been searched in this. Search all would be better. Still searching. See, it has been returned. So the contact name with account name as this contact name having same account name. So in this session we have learned how to fetch some values or display some values in a list of string, as well as get the record in a list. Also we know, we have learned the list contains array list. That means first having 0 row, then second having 1 row, third having second 2 row, like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.